Hey everyone, welcome to another video, another celestial tour. In this video, you're going to hear the sounds of the cosmos. Now, obviously, space is a soundproof place because the sound waves can only travel through the vibration of atoms and molecules, and since there are no air particles that sound can go through, like on Earth, space is soundproof and it is a vacuum. But NASA still sends special spacecrafts that detects the electromagnetic signals from coming from space and converts it to sounds an average human can hear. The following sounds you are about to hear are the sounds that came from the Sun, Earth, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Enceladus, the moon of Saturn, two black holes colliding, and two neutron stars colliding. So let's take a look at these magnificent sounds of space. So yeah, these are basically the sounds of space. Some of them sound scary, some of them sound funny. At least we now have a clue about what some celestial objects sound like. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and stay astronomical.